Let's divide 244 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We're dividing 244 by 2. We look at the first digit of 244, which is 2. We'll use this digit for our first step. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, that matches our digit. Now we subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. We have no remainder here. Awesome job, you're doing great. We've finished this step, let's move to the next digit. Now for step 2, we bring down the next digit from 244, which is 4. Our new number to divide is 4. We carry down the 4, now we have 4 to work with. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's multiply 2 times 2 equals 4, perfect. Subtract 4 from 4 and we get 0, no remainder this time either. You're crushing it, keep up the amazing work. On to the last digit, we're almost done. Last step team, we bring down the final digit, which is 4. Our number is 4 again. We carry down the last 4, we're ready to divide. How many times does 2 go into 4? You guessed it, 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4, exactly right. Subtract 4 from 4 and our remainder is 0, we did it. Fantastic, you solved the whole problem. We've divided 244 by 2, look at your awesome answer. We found that 244 divided by 2 is 122. Great job, everyone! We successfully divided 244 by 2, learning how each digit plays a role in the final answer. Remember, every division problem is a chance to become a math whiz. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.